your pandas data frame column. So first of all, I will read this file, then I will show you this data frame. So you can see here. So I'm going to use this sheet, this data frame, to apply a customized function. So first I will create a customized function. Like I'm creating this function, give function 1. I will pass the parameter of data frame here, and then if df percentage is less than 30, less than 33, then return fail. Okay, and if df percentage is greater than or equal to 33 and less than 50, then return pass elif percentage is greater than equal to 50 and less than 80, then return outstanding, else return excellent. Okay, run it. Then df result is equals to not df. My data frame name is df1. So df1, then df dot apply df1 dot apply function 1 comma x is equals to 1. Let's run it. Now I will check my data frame. So you can see the result: outstanding, pass, excellent, outstanding. So our logic is working fine, right? So that's how we can create a customized function, and we can apply our function to the data frame column in pandas. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it if you like it, and subscribe for further videos. Thank you.